Once there were two friends, a squirrel and a puppy. They used to live and play together. The squirrel was very sporty and always won the game. The puppy used to feel bad and thought that it was of no use. One day, it started raining heavily. The squirrel was in high spirits. He started doing antics, but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rain water. He called his friend, the puppy, for help. The puppy came to his rescue. The squirrel climbed on its back and reached a safe place. He thanked his friend for saving his life. Moral of the story is, always have confidence in yourself. Everyone is unique in his own way.